Now to draw this figure in isometric, the first thing that we are going to do after analyzing the figure, we are going to do the page setup, that is units, precision to 0.0, scale to millimeters, then limits, set the limits from 0,0 to 297,210. Then we zoom all. After that we type snap, S for style, I for isometric, and 1 for height. Then we have our figure here. So we are going to start with the base. The base we have 110 plus 72 over 2. That we are going to draw a line. The line, have your ortho mode on, that is 72. Change direction to 110 to 72, and again close it, close it. From that we have change direction to a distance of 34, distance of 34. Let's run to a distance of 70. Yes. Well, change direction to a distance of 72 and distance of 34. Good. Change direction to a distance of 70 and join to distance of 72. Well and good. Now draw ellipse, isometric ellipse, isometric ellipse from this center. Good. And it should have that diameter of 72. Trim it. Trim it. After that, go back to the figure and have it. The total height is 34 and there is a height of 20. So we are going to copy this to a distance of 14. Copy from the center, change direction to a distance of 14. Well done. So have the lines completed. So have it excess that we may trim. Well, have another ellipse, which is isometric ellipse, and have it with a diameter of 26, so this, copy it, well, that is done. So we are going to copy this, a distance of 18, then we are going to copy this, a distance of 15 and 55. We are going to copy this, copy again, from this to this corner. It is a distance of 55. Well done. We have one more. We are going to need a line. We are going to need a line from this center, a distance of 35. Well, so from that end, we are going to draw isometric ellipse. So the isometric ellipse that we are going to draw, change the direction. Well, we'll have diameter of 26. Well done. So it is also supposed to be copied down. A distance, this one should be copied down to a distance of 34 if it can be visible, and through that we find it is not visible. So we are going to trim the excess. Good. Well done. Well done. Well done. Good. So this is our final. One thing remaining. Good. Well, we can now check. Well, one thing remaining. We are supposed to copy this to a distance of 16. Well, good. Yes, we can now check. That is the isometric that we are supposed to have. Well, thank you. Come back for more videos. Be blessed. Continue to watch. Thank you.